Yeah, and the hanger is a pain in the butt. Never mind, you got it. Okay. Of course I had to make a new clip because I don't exit it out of the camera.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. But who cares?
Now, where are the other hangers? Okay, there's one right there.
Yep, there's one.
One right here. Okay, so
right there.
1, 2, and 3. Dang, these are big.
I was about to insert an inappropriate joke, but I'm not. Thick rhymes with the word that starts with the D and ends with the K. Not going to finish off the 2 middle letters. But if you know...
I get the gist now.
Yeah. I'm just leaving it at that, guys. Because I could have made that real inappropriate real quick. Which I wouldn't have really cared, but at least I stopped myself. Guys, if y'all ever are in need of collision work and are in Memphis, come hit up the shop I work at, Key Collision of Memphis. It was on Thomas Road, I think Bartlett, Tennessee 38134. I can't remember the actual address numbers off the top of my head, but if I remember, I will insert it in the description below, guys. And so, if y'all need collision work, hit me up. Well, hit up the shop. We'll then get you scheduled in. As of right now, as we're filming this video, we're booked up until I think Monday or Tuesday of next week, guys. Plus we have too many dadgum cars on the lot right now. We have like 30-some cars on the lot. If you need any collision work, we do pretty much anything, even mechanical work. You name it, we do it. Because we have a guy that does all our mechanical at the shop.
Would you like to set up the tripod somewhere so we can get the exhaust onto the hangers?
Yeah.
You want to move it back a little bit?
Yeah, you can, whichever. Doesn't really matter. Just hopefully one of us doesn't kick it.
Yeah.
Or work. Hey, Fleur, I got a better idea.
What?
Put it right by the jack stand, close to it. First angle.
Okay.
I'm afraid, especially where I'm positioned right now, I'm probably gonna kick that thing and it's gonna be not good. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. The fun time's gonna be after if we can even get it put in the hangers tonight, which we're gonna have to because otherwise we're gonna be screwed.
Alright, you wanna do that one, I'll do this one?
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
Let's first. I think we're better off doing it one at a time if we can.
Yeah.
This is freaking tricky. Tricky as hell to do.
I'm gonna need you to hold that so I can just hold this up. You got it?
I got it.
Maybe some WD-40, you think? Or like some side trawl or pin trawl or something? You
Yeah.
lubricate it a bit?
Possibly. Wherever you can get pushed on. Do you feel it? Is it somewhat in already?
Just a little bit. Are you getting tired?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get out of it just in case it does fall. That would not be fun, guys. You wanna try to put that one on and so we don't have to hold it?
No, I can hold it.
Okay. I thought it would just be easier if we could hook it up so neither of us have to hold it and we actually, you know. I mean, I can, wait, let me get a better angle, see if I can. Yeah, I'm grabbing WD-40, guys.
Oh, such all the pencils. I think we may have WD-40. I can't remember. Hey, Furio, just guys checking my phone's recording. Cause I don't know if there's a time limit on it or not. You hear me, Furio?
What is that?
Check my phone. Is it still recording? I think there may be a time limit on it.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Okay. How long is it at?
7 minutes.
I think it has a 10-minute shut off, I think.
Oh, really?
I think.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna hand it off to Yogi for a bit. I gotta use the restroom, a little restroom break. I'll be right back, guys.
I'm trying to think. Thinking probably the hanger part or what? I'll figure it out. Oh no. Do you mind putting my shoe on?
Dang.
I didn't realize it. Don't matter. If it gets on, it gets on. You don't have to fully get the inner.
Alright.
Haven't sprayed it yet. I got an idea. We're better yet. Get the hammer out, toolbox.
No, that's not gonna work.
You never know. If I bang on it hard enough, it may push through.
If we want to do that, we need to get it up on the other hanger too. 'Cause this is at an angle, so it's not gonna go in straight.
True, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. We need to. It'd be easier if we spray it.
Get my. Or I can grab it. My phone. I don't know if it's already done or not. Filming. We'll see.
Why is it a 10-minute timer?
It
It's at 9:44.
may be over. This guy's hand it to me, please.
Alright.
We'll see. I can't remember. Roll it in. No, never mind, it will not. Okay. I guess I was mistaken. I guess it was, because I think it was different video quality or something.
Oh, got it.
Got that one in. We know what to do now. Just to lube it up. As weird as that sounds.
We're gonna set up at your camera. Alright guys, so we got rubber hanger 1 done. Now we are going on to the second one. Hopefully it's smooth sailing just like that first one was. Oh, I see.
What?
These going this way.
Mm-hmm.
Let me go ahead and lube this baby up. Alrighty.
I mean, heck, it was a one-man show when pretty much a one-man show when I took your muffler off. And it's almost pretty much a one-man show you putting it on.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not too bad. This one's probably going to be a more pain because this is already a hanger that was installed on the car when we first got it. Ooh, that could have been bad. That was literally aimed straight at your face. I mean, I've had some horrible... Oh, y'all don't even know about what's happened at Key Collision in Memphis when I started working there. Let's not even talk about that. Feel it going in?
Mm-hmm.
Was there one more hanger that we had to put in or no?
Yes.
And then once we put that hanger in, then we can get those bolts in.
Yep.
And which we're going to need, I don't remember what size, because we're going to need a socket or a wrench on one side. Oh, I remember. The nut side for the bolts, we got to use impact. But then I think on the other side, it's a regular wrench, I think. Or maybe socket. No, I think it's socket because we can't get a wrench on it really good. If I recall correctly.
You wanna hold the wrench or the socket while I impact it?
Yeah, we'll figure something out when it gets time for that trip. I'm not worried about that right now. I'm worried about more getting the the hanger is all done, you know. Holy cow, this is already a 13-minute video. And this is non-stop recording too, guys. And it's going to be a non-stop recording once we do the coil pack spark plugs. Almost in?
Close.
Hey, fair. If you want me to do it? Because I got a trick up my sleeve.
Hammer?
No. I'll do it barehanded. Move out of the way. I'll bang it.
It's not gonna do that. Alright.
You never know. I could try. Because, I mean, that's pretty much what I had to do when I took it off. And be careful. Don't get that crap in your eyes and whatnot, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I could literally go grab the hammer and bang it in. If you want
You
to.
wanna do that?
You want me to go grab it?
Yes, please.
Hammer time. Dun 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 dun.
You got the camera with you? Oh, I see it.
Yeah. Even on the trip.
You know I didn't take my watch off. It's getting in the way.
Okay. If you want to take your watch off, move out of the way, take your watch off, and then I'll bang it in.
I don't think it's gonna work because like there's like that much space right there, so we're not gonna be able to get much power into it. So I think I'm better off doing it by hand. You see what I mean? Look, right here.
I get it. You never know. You never know with your little brother. Your little brother can pull some crazy crap off.
I'll hold it while you bang on it. Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
I thought I'd try.
Yeah, never have to try.